Members of the Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit on the 1st of August 2022 had met the Governor of Meghalaya, Satya Pal Malik, to demand for the removal of the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police West Garo Hills for the smooth interrogative procedure of the Bernard N Marak case. Speaking to reporters, the state president of the Bjp Ernest informed that the demand for the removal of the DC and SP of West Garo Hills is because of their involvement in arresting the General Secretary of the Bjp W. Dango, who was withheld without being questioned for over 6 hours in police lockup.
And the governor has promised us to set the independent inquiry, and our stand is to remove immediately the Deputy Commissioner of the West Garo Hills and the Superintendent of Police. That is our stand. So let us wait. He has already given a word to us. He will do the needful. But we are denied. And same thing here also in the Shillong city. They don't allow us to do this peace protest rally. And today morning at 11 we have staged our program in our state party office. Yeah, it's purely political vendetta. You see, while taking the raid on the 22nd, why only one media involved? Only half media. You know better than me. They should call everybody so that do that instinct operation, whatever they say, they should call everybody. Then it will be fair, no?